Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm in the kitchen again and today I am making creamy fettuccine shrimp pasta with Parmesan cheese. A quick and easy recipe, takes less than 20 minutes. So continue watching guys, join me in the kitchen and let's make this pasta. So I have some cooked shrimp, extra large, already peeled and deveined. And for the pasta, I have a pot of boiling water. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. And I'm using the fettuccine pasta. Allow this to cook for roughly 7 minutes. So for the shrimp, I'm going to clean it with some lemon juice. To remove the tails from the shrimps. Alright, so now that the shrimp is nicely cleaned, I'm going to season with a little fish seasoning, little all-purpose seasoning, little garlic powder, little onion powder, and a little Old Bay. A little black pepper, and a little salt. Now I'm going to test my pasta if they are cooked. The pasta is cooked and I'm going to remove it from the heat. Now that the pasta is cooked, I'm draining the water off. So for my pasta sauce, I'm going to use some onions and some garlic. Okay, so now I'm going to prepare the shrimp. I'm going to add some butter. I'm now going to add the shrimp to the melted butter. So being that the shrimp is already cooked, I'm just going to sear them for 30 seconds on each side. So in the same pan, I'm adding the onions, the garlic. So for a minute, I am going to saute these onions with the garlic. Then I'm going in with a cup of heavy cream. Next, I'm also adding some Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. So now that the pasta sauce is done prepare, I'm going in with the pasta and I'm also going to add the shrimp, some more Parmesan cheese, a little black pepper and a pinch of salt to taste. So this is basically how I prepare my creamy shrimp pasta, and if there's any other ingredients that I could use, please feel free to comment it and let me know. So if you reach this far in the video guys, leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. Also, if you enjoy the video, if you like the recipe, leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you all for watching. Peace out. Bye.